living in a generation where only comments getting exclamations. Try and keep my mental patient, I'm a mental patient though. I ain't hesitating, no, wish I would though. Yeah, feeling hurt, I don't know the origin, that be the worst. Let's just keep on pouring, see who feel it first. That's how whiskey and relationships and feelings work. I know how I feel, yeah, that ain't who I am. No, I've been looking back, yeah, trying to understand, yeah. I wish I could cry.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a real long time since we've uploaded, but we've just been waiting for the right time to put these arches on. Today we're going to offer up these front arches, cut them off, fit them on, and then see how we're getting on. So we might do the rears today as well. So we're going to see how it goes, crack on with it and just, yeah.
Down 2.8.
Oh. First time fitting these arches, so yeah, let's go.
Broken clocks are right twice a day, so twice a day I feel present. Looking for love amongst likes and faves. Tell me how I'm supposed to find friendship. I'ma stop giving my 2 cents, no matter what, they go with consensus. I just want someone to say I see you and mean it. Is that too intensive? I ain't paid rent to my mind in a long time. I think it's time to go offline. I've been having a hard time. I ain't got no metaphor there, that's just real shit. Saying right things at the wrong time. At least I wanna be better than I was. I used to think like I better be discussed. Now I wanna just be, I ain't settling for buzz. I know how I feel, that ain't who I am. No, I've been looking back, trying to understand. I wish I could cry, but y'all made me a man. So I just wonder why I be the way I am. Therapists say I got trauma, yeah. Managers say I need commas, yeah. I just really think I need solace. Some days wish I ain't make all these promises. I go for drinks every night that I don't want. At what point am I an alcoholic? Say what you all want, but my whole childhood, bitch, I was a target, and I can't call it. Anywhere but here, yeah. Don't know if I'm ready for my year, yeah. I just wanna be anywhere but anywhere, too many cares. Wherever I go, there I am. Take me away, take me away, take me away. Can't be the same, I'll be the same. I need my space, I'll be okay. Cause wherever I go, there I am, yeah. Just had a day longer than they knows. After all the lies that I've been told, I'll never stand in line for what I get sold. Coffee back to back like it accused me of ghostwriting. I be fading back to black in the house where the most wine is. Most grinding, but winding down is so trying now. So pass the sauce to me, yeah. Let's get lost fully, yeah.
So the riv nuts are in, the holes are drilled. Now we just got to drill the holes bigger in the actual arch. And then we can actually fit the wing properly. And also we're going to put some body under seal on here to stop the rust coming through. And then this one side will be done. Let's go.
I just wanna be anywhere but here, yeah. Don't know if I'm ready for my year, yeah. I just wanna be anywhere but anywhere, too many cares. But wherever I go, there I am. Take me away, take me away, take me away. Can't be the same, I'll be the same. I need my space, I'll be okay. Cause wherever I go, there I am. There I am, there I am, there I am. Hold up.
Okay, so that's one side done, all bolted up, ready to go. On to the other side.
Can move all my money into a bank that don't invest it into oil, into weapons, into tanks. But I might have to walk further to the ATM for change. And yo, I ain't trying to do the work. Homie, I can keep it vegan, but fuck free range. I need free range, feasting on anything. Need my dollar fries and I won't apologize. I'm trying to economize and I ain't trying to lose.
Right, so that's the fronts all done. Looks like the time's caught up with us, so we're going to crack on with the rears tomorrow. Today's gone really well. The arches look so sick. So we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Peace out. Right, so it's the next day now. Today we're going to crack on with doing the rear arches. We're going to start with doing the door panels first. So we're going to rivet those onto the rear doors, and then we'll start cutting away at the rear arches. So yeah, let's get to it, guys.
Yeah. It's the realest shit. Dear Lord, I'm wondering, so your God tell me something. Growing up, I was crazy, same streets, I lost my mother. And since we talking public, I can't tell you about my brother, but I guess he thought them niggas couldn't touch him. Yo, can I live without struggle? When we was 14, we stopped going to school. Rapping no days off, trapping no days off. One day I'll make it to New York in time, but until then I'm on my grind. Niggas dying and shit. Still got my old Chucks on the wire and shit. Sometimes I cry for a bit, but then my homie told me it was life. Same night, I got goals, so I'm trying to play the game right. I'm a star and I know it, sold in the dirt, but when I'm hurt, man, I still don't show it. Even though it mattered to me, it'll never change actually, and only make me a man. Yo, it's easy to do the same thing when both your keepers in jail, and that's the reason you ain't had to be in at 12. And all the things I'm doing now, I'm doing it well, cause if I stay here, I'll be dead or in jail for real. Hustle all the time, just trying to get it right all night. I pray to God that we make it through the night. Alright, I gotta make the best out of life, get it for cheap but pay the price, right? Yeah, hustle all the time, just trying to get it right all night. I pray to God that we make it through the night. Alright, I gotta make the best out of life, get it for cheap but pay the price, right? Yo, if I keep my
right then, guys, so just cut the first skin, left the second one, so now we're going to slice it and hit it up and weld it across here, so it creates a nice seal and all the dirt doesn't get in your car and makes it all damp and horrible.
I grew up with some don't make it, and the skinny niggas pack guns, stick it in their arms. Nightmares on the floor, woke up early in the morning. I'm feeling like it's 4th and long, on the field of disadvantages. Told my niggas they don't understand this shit. I inspire people I'm trying to win a Grammy with. Crooked letters swear I'm on some David Banner shit. I just hope I see the day that I understand this shit. All the time, just trying to get it right all night. I pray to God that we make it through the night. Alright, I gotta make the best out of life, get it for cheap or pay the price, right? Yeah, hustle all the time, just trying to get it right all night. I pray to God that we make it through the night. Alright, I gotta make the best out of life, get it for cheap or pay the price, right?
Just in here there's a little bracket, basically pushes the bumper out just enough so it fits flush with the arch, which you'll see in a minute. So that is a really important piece.
Tayyib Ali. It's one life to live, so live it the best you can. It's one life to live.
Yeah, yo, late night grinding, all 4 seasons. Life is like a party, but I'm working on the weekend. Show you what my dream is, for the whole world to see what we did, then do it over. Remix, haters all around me like why we can't be friends, cause I'm trying to get the win and y'all playing defense. Young freshman, MVP, with a model named Liquor and the shots are free. You know me, ain't living life by the course, just trying to get what's in store before the world don't love me no more. In the cycle, aiming my rifle as the night go, blunt with the right smoke, word for my mind, bro, the limit is the sky, yo. So I take it everywhere I roam, Philly, New York, or Rome, don't know when I'll be home. Ain't 21, ballin' in casinos, man, damn, they wanna see us dead.
It's one life to live, so live it the best you can. It's one life to live, so live it the best you can. Tayyib Ali. It's one life to live, so live it the best you can. It's one life to live.
Okay guys, so it's the next day now and the car is on the flat. Harry's got some work equips that he's just about to put on the car now, so we are going to put them on the car and then we're going to take it for a drive and like film a nice showcase of it, and then you can see it in all of its beauty. So let's crack on with this and we'll see you just in a moment.
Chicago, you're still shooting up. In Boston, y'all still shooting up. At Queensbridge, stay shooting up. Even in Wichita, it's wicked. You see a mic stand lit up under the spotlight, a silhouette of a man slaying beats that knock right. I treasure whenever niggas or rhetoricals hit orchestral tracks and nail it. Smooth black velvet and rap intelligent, but then it's just a low percent who blow on some Nas big and over shit. No offense, but I was over with finding young spitters whose names I remember. J. Rose, dissing your idols kill your future unless your idol souped up. Jamaica Ave Nas, cherry drop cooped up. Still hitting clubs, grimy niggas occasionally shoot up. Bang, bang, pow, pow, these snorters still toot up. My dead granddad came to my cousin through a psychic. I don't really like it, pay prices for afterlife advice gets kinda double jumbled. Prefer to take my chances. Who gets out alive? Nobody got the answers. All we got is questions. I told my bitch, she hit the genetic lottery. Love it when she lied to me. A friendship is built over time, and trust too. But trust is a contract that constantly needs to be renewed. For peace and solitude, peace and solitude, peace and solitude.